So we are in DEFCON33 in the car hacking buildings right now. I'm going to execute a rollback attack to unload
lots of fun stuff, and we have a badge for sale too.
This is one of the CTF talents. So go ahead.
Yeah.
42 megahertz,
Some free stickers
K-pop,
on
number one. So this was able because after a reverse engineering process to this weak rolling code. So right now I'm entered one frame of the weak rolling code, and after that the second frame to execute the rollback attack. We need two signals. So again, no worries.
You never learned that?
Oh yeah, I did. I was like,
Second count, 422 megahertz. Number one. I'm going to copy this one here.
Yeah. I got a couple hours of sleep. I woke up, I had
Free
breakfast.
signal and the second signal.
The Singaporean government phase. That was fun.
One.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing nothing again. What do you think?
There we go.
I got a couple things.
Thank you so much.
Oh, I gotta skip.